Hey guys, it's me Rachel, and today I'm going to be doing a room tour. I know it sounds like really cringy and like all the beauty gurus do it, Rachel. You're not a beauty guru. I know. That's the point. I just know that my subscribers don't really know my room that well. So I wanted to do that for you guys. Anyways, let's get on with the video. I hope you enjoy. Okay guys, so when you walk in, you see my door. For some reason, there's like a little itty bitty blue paint box right there. I don't know why. Honestly, I don't know. And then I have blue walls. I wanted to do an accent wall when we painted my rooms blue, but my mom thought it didn't look good, so she painted the last wall the other color. So I'm kind of stuck with half blue, half other blue, you know. Over here is Jeff's tank. Get on this little tank stick, this wheel, and we have some art that I made for Jeff's tank, and this is what I kind of like to call Beta Barracks, and it's kind of like Jeff's space, you know, his tank, and then basically my dresser up is Beta Barracks, and basically anything that is fish beta related, goes here. And then over here, I have my coat rack. I have a little wallet. I have a little wallet. A little wallet, a purse, a bathrobe. I have a messenger bag. And then I also have a hat I won from Cedar Point. I have my fall coat and my raincoat. Over here, actually, I don't know. Do this. I don't know. I'm a bad photographer, videographer, guys. I don't know why. And basically, over here's my desk. Desk space. Where I do my homework. Pretty normal. And then this is my bulletin board where I can hang stuff that I like, drawings that I like. All the way up here, up there on the shelf. I don't know if you guys see that. Let's go. This side is my shelf. I basically put anything that I like those signs, like she believed she could, so she did. Women's intuition is a polite way of saying women are smarter. Legos that I did, or just art that I do, and then also Girl Boss up there. And then right now I'm on my bed. It's pretty normal, you know. Ooh, sorry. And then I have my closet over here. I have my dresses in the corner, shirts over here, pants, kit bag, extra hangers. Oh, and then up there, I have on the right up here, I have my stuff that I get for Christmas but don't really use. And then over here, I have some blankets. On the top, I have one more blanket, some doll clothes I used to use, a bit of some Legos, some old stuffed animals from when I was a kid, and yeah, that's pretty much my room tour. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe because many other videos are uploaded on my channel like this. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and Musically at RMA7612. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I love you.